Hey, Alex. Alex, slowly, slow. Alex, you can hit someone. Okay, slow down. Slow down, give him some space.
I got the green one.
Okay, slow down. You're too strong.
Can I go on this again after I'm done with this one? Hey, Bob, can I go on the green one? Wrap it out there.
Hey, slow. Wait, Alex, wait a bit. Slow down.
It's going by itself.
Okay, slow down, don't bump.